Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and today we're going around Target. I had to turn off my car, so hopefully you don't hear, well, now I turn it off so you don't hear anything, but I do live in Arizona, so it's gonna get hot really quickly. So I wanted to just walk around Target and see what I found Disney, just because I know Disney just said that they were gonna release some Star Wars toys. I know they don't come out yet, they don't come out until August, but that just gave me inspiration to walk around Target and like get Star Wars stuff. And I also just needed to get out of the house. I haven't gone shopping since March, like shopping. I had like the only place I've gone is Target and grocery stores, and that's it. I haven't gone anywhere else. So today it's gonna feel a little bit like I'm like actually shopping and not just groceries, but we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. I might show you guys my sun protector for my car just because I love it, but you can't judge how dirty my windshield is or the amount of masks that are collecting out there. I just put them on the windshield because again, it gets to like 115 here, so I just leave them there for a week and hope they'd like, you know, the virus roasts and dies. Anyways, that's not the point of this. Let's go ahead and go to Target. line at Ross, so 100% not gonna go there. I haven't been to a Ross since January, December, when we bought things for White Elephant Party. I have no clue. Did you guys know, I don't know if this is just Arizona, we have like a radio station that plays Christmas music all December and pretty much November, and I'm just like playing around with, you know, my radio because I have 10 minutes to spare, and they're playing Christmas music this whole month, and now it's like July something, I'm sure July 25th. That means I only have a couple days left of it, and I've been missing out. Is your state doing this? Can you explain Christmas in July to me? I know I could look it up, but I feel like it would be better coming from you guys. Alright, I'm gonna wait like 2 minutes, maybe 3. There is a line. Maybe I won't wait. Maybe I'll just go home. If you see footage, I went in. If you don't, I went home. There's a line for every store. There's a line in Ulta, Bath and Body, Old Navy. Hold on. I'll just show you. Hold on. I'm just in my car. See, there's like a person there. Hold on, let me figure out my finger. Bath works there. Old Navy is there. This car's blocking the little line that's there. Boom, there's Ross. Hold on. There's a little line. I mean, it's tiny lines, but it's enough to make me panic. Alright guys, quick update. I did go into Old Navy really quickly. I didn't touch anything, although people there were really nice. They didn't have any face masks, but they got I was able to buy them and they would ship them for free to my house, so perfect. That's what I wanted. I didn't want to pay for shipping, so we'll see when we get those. Everybody there was nice. My cashier was Casey. What else? I didn't want to look at any of the clothes because their fitting rooms are opened, and that freaks me out because I don't know if they clean them. Like at Target, I know if you return something, they put it in quarantine before they put it out on the floor. I don't know if that's the same at Old Navy, and I didn't want to like test it out just because there's so many people. Like maybe I'll come on a weekday and test it out, or if you have gone to Old Navy, let me know. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. It's been a little bit everywhere. Let me know if you like to shop around with me, or me like recording things, if you want me to go to Kohl's, or I don't know, maybe that's how I'll start going back into the stores, because right now I get too nervous. All right, until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios.